This video will demonstrate the use of special tool Crankshaft Installing Tool. Crankshaft Installing Tool is used in combination with other tools to fix the position of crankshaft with respect to the position of camshafts while performing various tasks in diesel engines such as timing chain removal and installation and assembly of cylinder head and camshaft housing. This special tool is used on the flywheel side of the crankshaft. Using Crankshaft Installing Tool. To use this special tool, remove the flywheel. Place the tool on the crankshaft by aligning the hole given in the tool with the locating pin of the crankshaft as shown. Install the bolts by hand and tighten them with the help of a suitable tool. Now rotate the crankshaft to align the hole given in the tool to the hole given in cylinder block. Install the locating pin of the tool as shown. The crankshaft is now fixed at its reference position with all the pistons in middle position of cylinder block. Advantage and benefit. This tool helps to locate the crankshaft accurately at a reference position with respect to the camshaft's position. This prevents any possible damage to the engine parts and lack of engine performance due to timing mismatch.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.